In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications from Perplexity AI app. If you're looking to cut down on distractions or just take a break from pings, this quick walkthrough will help you silence push notifications from the Perplexity app without uninstalling it or changing how you use it. First, open the Perplexity app on your phone. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer, and its icon should be easy to spot. Give it a moment to load. You don't need to change anything about your account to proceed. We're simply adjusting an in-app preference that controls whether the app can send you alerts. Next, go to Settings inside the app. In most cases, you'll see a small gear icon labeled Settings on the main screen or under your profile area. On some devices, it might be tucked behind a profile picture, 3 lines, or 3 dots in the corner. If you're unsure, tap your profile or the menu icon and look for the word Settings. You only need to open that page once. Everything we need is right there. Once you're in Settings, look for the Notifications option. You'll typically see a simple toggle switch labeled Notifications. When the switch is on, the app can send you push alerts like updates or message reminders. To turn them off, tap the toggle so it moves to the off position. You should see the switch change state immediately, confirming that push notifications from Perplexity are now disabled. What does this change do? Turning the toggle off stops the app from sending notifications to your device's notification shade or lock screen. You can still open Perplexity anytime and use it normally. You just won't get alert banners or sounds from it. If you ever want notifications back, return to the same setting and flip the toggle on again. A quick tip: some phones also have system-level notification controls. If you previously blocked or allowed notifications at the device level, that setting can influence what you see. For most people, the in-app toggle is all you'll need, but if alerts continue after you've turned them off here, your device settings may be overriding the app's preference. That's it. Open the Perplexity app, head into Settings, and turn off the notifications toggle. It's a simple change that can make your day a little calmer. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow along again whenever you need to re-enable alerts or adjust your preferences. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more focused experience.